an emergency protective order has been extended between Matt Bevin and his adopted son. Thanks for joining us at 4. I'm Fallon Glick.
And I'm Scott Reynolds. That agreement was reached after an unusual day in court last week where the former governor represented himself and questioned his adopted son about alleged abuse. WDRB's Katrina Nickel was in that courtroom today and tells us about what this means for the Bevin family. Katrina?
Well, you guys, unlike last week, Matt Bevin showed up to court today with an attorney and hardly said a word. And now between his new attorney, his ex-wife Glenna's attorney, and Jonah's, they were all able to reach 2 separate agreements for each individual parent. Now, a judge extended an emergency protection order for at least 6 months between Matt and Jonah Bevin. This means Matt cannot contact or see Jonah in person. If he is found to have violated this EPO, he will go to jail. As for his adoptive mother, Glenna, that case has been dismissed, and a civil restraining order has been put in place, which the court will monitor, and it carries a less harsh consequence compared to the emergency protection order that has been filed between Matt and Jonah. Now, this all comes to a head after Jonah accused his adoptive parents of abandoning him in an abusive facility in Jamaica for troubled teens.
It looks like to everybody that Kentucky Matt Bevin had everything figured out in his life, but he had nothing figured out. There's an image they want people to see, and they don't want an actual image of what's actually going on in their homes. And today, we brought it out.
Now, after that hearing, Matt Bevin walked out of court and did not acknowledge any reporters' questions. Glenna Bevin did attend the court hearing virtually, and her attorney, Steve Romines, provided a statement that read, "The situation has been extremely difficult and painful for our entire family. I am glad it is over and the case against me is dismissed. I love my children and want what is best for all of them." Today's agreement also orders the Bevins to turn over any information they have regarding Jonah's biological family. He was adopted by the Bevins from Ethiopia in 2012, and Jonah had said allegedly Matt Bevin had tried to get him in contact with his biological mother recently, and before that, Jonah says that Matt and Glenna Bevin had always told him his biological mother had been dead, so he doesn't know if he's going to be able to get that information or not.
We shall see, in a sad situation all around. All right, Katrina, thank you for your reporting tonight.